Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue with Microsoft Word. So what we're going to focus on is something called quick parts today. Now, most people have no idea that quick parts actually exist. I work daily with a lot of people, and they're always asking, "Hey, how do you do a bibliography citing or anything, right? Any kind of element that you need to add in to a Microsoft Word document for that cites a picture or applies formatting or a cover page." All right, so Microsoft Word makes that extremely easy. Okay, all you have to do is practice a little bit with what I'm about to show you, and you will get used to it and know exactly what type of quick parts you can actually apply. Now, these quick parts, they kind of include text boxes, tables, page numbers, and just a ton of just reusable quick elements that really make everything easy with applying a specific style to your entire document. All right, very simple. So what you're going to do with the Word document open, you're going to go up here and you're going to go to Insert. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, you might have quick parts, an actual drop down here. For my version, it actually has the icon, and if you hover over it, it'll tell you it's Explore Quick Parts. Okay, so we're going to hit the arrow to drop down, and we're going to go to Building Blocks Organizer. What this does, it opens up options list, and again, it's got tons of options. Okay, and the names kind of speak for themselves. Different references, bibliography, integral, Austin, it's kind of a cover page. So let's select references. Hit insert, and as you can see, it offers in a area where you can actually sit here and type your reference. Okay, and makes it look pretty nice as well. If you keep the same theme throughout using quick parts, then everything will flow together and look really nice. Again, some of the others are bibliography, so the same thing. And again, it offers that same style. All right. One of the cover pages, well, there's a lot of different cover pages, okay? So let's go to Austin. And again, it tells you what type. So it's cover pages, and you hit that, and as you can see, it goes ahead and inserts a basic cover page, and you can click in here and add whatever text that you want. Makes it look really good. You can apply that same formatting with the page numbers and everything that you need all the way down through there. And you'll just kind of go down through, look and see which gallery that you want. It's got applications for footers and headers. So it's top of your page and it's the bottom of your page, and you can put page numbers in there and your footnotes. For any of those of you that are in school, footnotes, you know that you always have to add footnotes anytime that you're citing elements within your papers. Okay, so page numbers, you can do top left, and again, you just go through and read which one you want. So top line, select that, and it'll add the page number in wherever you're at. Okay, so again, just tons of options within Building Blocks Organizer, and this is something that most people actually don't know exists. I rarely see someone go and use this, and I watch them actually go through and format items like this quite often. A lot of extra work when you could just actually apply the whole thing to it and be done with it, instead of going and looking for this font type and changing the font color and selecting the font size and then go and bold this and type in your text. You could just simply apply the quick part and then click in there and go through and delete whatever you want, right? And apply whatever text you want, right? And right click on that and it'll separate it. Okay, so I hope that you found this helpful. Go ahead, and I suggest playing around with quick parts. It's very easy to use, and you are probably amazed at what type of formatting options it can apply to all the different elements of a paper. If you did like the video, go and give me that thumbs up, show your support, and I'll see you next video.